When you get your new OTF knife, they might feel a little stiff at first. This is due to the oil settling through shipment. What you're going to want to do is start firing the knife in and out, sort of breaking it in. The more you do this, this will make it easier and smoother. If the blades feel any resistance on its way out, it will engage the safety mechanism. You can go ahead and re-engage the blade by safely grabbing it and pulling it all the way out, and then another 1/8 inch, and this will re-engage the blade with the mechanism